Most coaches assume that they're losing clients or not getting clients because of marketing, but sometimes it's the back end experience that makes people hesitate before they ever say yes. So, I definitely don't want you blaming yourself if you're not getting clients right now. One thing that one of my coaches always said to me is business is like a science experiment. So, you got to take the emotion out of it. You are literally testing things over and over. And if the test doesn't work out, that just means you got to tweak something somewhere in order for this experiment to work. So, as your tech strategist, the thing I'm here to help you figure out is your backend experiment working? So, here are a few signs that you might be seeing in your business that indicate where clients might be dropping off without you even realizing it. The first sign is that clients ask a lot of clarifying questions. And these questions will be about what are the next steps? Repeat questions about scheduling. How do I do that? Where's the link? Where do I go? So these questions are not necessarily about your program. They're repeated questions about scheduling, about next steps, about how to make a payment. This indicates that your onboarding journey is not clear from the client perspective. So if you're feeling really busy, but you're not sure why, this is likely contributing to that. The second sign is that you're doing manual follow-ups more than you would like to. Of course, a manual follow-up is necessary every now and then, but if you're constantly sending reminders, resending links, or chasing down forms, that means that you don't have the right system in place, or at least not an effective one. And so this manual work that you're doing is actually creating delays, which lowers your conversion rate. And so, again, this is a systems issue, not necessarily a reflection on you. So, if you want help setting up a simple automated onboarding system inside of Paperbell so that your clients know exactly what to do after they say yes to working with you, my mini course, Booked and Automated, walks you through it step by step. It's only $27, and so I will link that below. But I do want to mention one last sign that may be causing you to lose clients. That is that your backend feels heavy every time you get a new lead. So your excitement turns into stress because your onboarding takes so much effort. A calm back end is going to make growth feel lighter, not heavier, and definitely not harder. So now that you found me, we're going to work towards making your back end feel calm, feel professional, and definitely be automated. If you don't have the number of clients that you want, it doesn't necessarily mean you need to just like hustle harder. Sometimes it just means you need better systems behind the scenes. I have another video you may be interested in called Why Your Backend Might Be Blocking Your Income, even if you're doing everything right. So watch that next because I think it'll help you connect the dots even further from this video. And I will see you over there. Bye.